gallons of milk and separate them.
Hi, welcome to Movie 7. What can I get for you guys?
Yeah, we'll get 2 for Iron Cat.
Ooh, yeah, sorry about that.
Teaching Ted how to be a bear. Teaching Ted how to be a bear. Michael, you eat your veggies? Okay.
I'll trade you 2 chocolates for, oh, that. Give me that.
I'll give you this.
Okay, fine. Deal. The brown one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me some.
Here you go, Mike. Happy Halloween.
Nice ride. What's it retail for? Come on, boy, come on. Good boy. Good boy.
Locked up, they won't let me out. They won't let me out. Locked up, they won't let me out. No, they won't let me out.
What is this? The new guy. Some festive music. District 3 got a code 10.
Joining a pursuit. This has been going on since the New Hall Pass on the 5 freeway southbound.
Put your paws where I can see him.
Okay, call it off. Have a good day, sir. That's enough for you, little guy.
after 2000. All right, lunchtime, Mike. Come and get it. It's not over, Mela. He still loves you.
Kisses on cheeks. And that's how it works. How you get the.
Okay, I'm heading out. All right, guys, be good. Hey, Mike, what's up? Who is that?